Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to turn a simple empty room photo into a fully designed interior using Google Gemini Nano Banana. This new tool lets you design space instantly just by typing a prompt. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. You can use either the app or the web versions. And if you don't have it yet, just download it from the Google Play Store or App Store, and then just log in with your Google account. And once you're inside, just click on create image, this one, or you can also go to tools icon, this one, and then create images like this. This is the brand new feature that lets you edit or design photos used instantly with prompts. Next, just upload your empty room photo. It could be your living room or bedroom, office, or even a studio space. And then the AI will use this as the base to create your new designs. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then choose your photo like this. And and now comes the fun part, writing the prompt. Be as detailed as possible. Just describe exactly how you want the room to look, like what kind of room it is, and then what furniture should be included, and then also what styles that you want. And for example, I will type my prompt like this. For example, like this. Just be details. The more details you give, the better the results. And then just click generate. Okay, like this. In just a few moments, your plain empty room turns into a fully designed interior like this. And just look at these results, from a boring empty space into to a stylish elegant bedroom, all with just one prompt like this. And okay, that's it. You have just learned how to redesign your space using AI, whether you are planning renovations or maybe just want inspirations. Nano Banana will make it super easy. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.